Hi Sakshi, this is Shivang from group number 20, Document Management System, and this I'm going to explain how we implemented the infrastructure. So first we implemented a bare metal Windows Server 2016, and on top of that I installed Active Directory Domain Controller, DNS with DHCP, and Document Management System software that we used Easify. And for this implementation purpose, I used only one client, that is PC, but it can be also be used on mobile. So now I will open Windows Server and show you the implementation of how we implemented. This on my left is the Windows Server 2016, and on the right is my client, that is Windows 10. Uh, First, as I told, the both of them are like connected to each other, so they are on the same network. So the IP of my Windows Server is .58, and on the Windows 10 it would be on the same network, which I'll show you. And see, the IP is .64. So now I will show you like how the Active Directory and domain controller. First, install the Windows Server 2016, and on top of that, I installed the Active Directory, made it a domain controller, and everything that's required for the basic essentials for that. Then I installed the Easify Server Manager, like this is the document system, and this software can also help me like restore it in case of any emergency. It also uses an SSL connection for the integrity of all the things that are required. Like, see, there's the SSL certificate. Yeah, I can also install it with the license and everything. So now I'm gonna like enter my password. Since it's password protected, I can install many users on this, and I can like manage the principle of least principle, and like different users can have different properties. So for example, I have now install like made three usernames, and in this example I'm gonna take that this is a company which has like orders and supplies. So I made a few orders for this, like I made a sample order, and these are the customer names. I also made a product which is a Cisco router, and like I told, this is the shipping company. So just one order, and this is sample. This is the customer screen, which I can add the information of various customers, like email and phone numbers. So if I want to open this order, I can also open up the order and see what one has ordered. In this, I can add suppliers or can view the information of the supplier, such as this is Amazon delivery, this is the contact number of the person. I can manage all the things from just one app itself. So now if I open up order, I can have documents, schedule, assign users or hours, whatever. I can assign different users for the different orders. Like if some order is like very high, or like it needs clearance, I can arrange all the orders within the by the role. So now I will show you some other things, like these are the things, like these are the basic document management system things. Like now you will ask me, what if, Shivang, I want to share a document or an invoice? How would I share would be able to share it? So for that, I also created a document management system on its own. So it will be using the same principle that we used before, and I can update the different things from here. So I'll show you in a second by going into the folder, and it has all the update options. So like yeah, it gets updated as soon as like I change it. And this is like, for example, this is a sample document. I haven't installed any Word document or anything. I will like give a sample on the notepad. So this was my sample document, and in this I'm going to type something out, like for uh, just a new line. So if I type it out and want to see on like another client, see, this is the updated version of that. This is very much fast and efficient, and if someone wants to like share something or update and document, this is the best way someone can. Like if I can add a new line, this is the updated. Now you'll ask me what about the invoice or PDFs or anything that's related to photo or any other thing. So that can also be done. I can do it the same way. I can just drag and drop on this folder, and this is the sharing folder. Like it gets affected to anything. One thing I forgot to mention that I can also install a IIS server on this Windows Server 2016, and all the users can go to that site and read all the documents from that. Like for example, if I want to give out information that something has happened in the company or there is a new update, I can also do that too. So in this, I'm showing a photo which is on my server 2016, and if I go to the same server, it will be there, and if I delete it from either of the places, it will be deleted. That's it. That was the video implementation of the document management system, and I cannot explain you about the budgets and everything because my teammates handle that. I had the implementation of the server, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and you have a good day.